In order to run an effective contest on Facebook, you should first read and understand the Facebook Terms of Service regarding giveaways and promotions, which is located on the Facebook Help section of their website. So be sure to review that thoroughly before you get started. A Facebook contest is an easy way to engage Facebook likes and convert them into email signups by enticing them with a prize. There are many different types of Facebook contests, from the most basic random draw Facebook sweepstakes to highly involved video contests with a full panel of judges to decide a winner. The first ones are maybe the most important, thus it is important to know how to run a sweepstakes and drive it to success. A Facebook contest is also a great way to achieve your goals in social media. One Facebook contest can give you the same return on investment as hundreds of pieces of content, saving you time and effort. For small business owners and small marketing teams, this time savings is invaluable. Run a Facebook contest to achieve specific goals and expand your business to new audiences. First thing on starting your contest, you need something worthwhile to give away, and it should be something very good. You know, nobody wants to enter a contest to win something that's easily attainable or cheap. Try giving away a new product a day or two before you actually release it, or a limited edition item, or even a discount on an otherwise premium service that you offer. Of course, you can always go the safe route and just give away whatever the hot Apple electronic device is at the time. You also need secondary prizes for the first and maybe even second runner-up. This gives people an added incentive to join your contest because it gives them the perception that they have a higher chance of at least winning something out of the deal.